I'll tell you, it's pretty accurate and it hits hard.
What's happening, YouTubers? This is the Jester coming to you with another gun review. Today on the AK-47. That's right, the ultimate bad guy gun. Probably the most popular rifle of all time. This particular model is a Yugoslavian M70 NPAP from the Zastava factory. Yeah, I know, that's a lot to take in. Let me show you the specifics of this gun that make this particular model what it is. First, you got your wood stock with the holes in the grip up front for your cooling of your air tube and your barrel. It's got a cleaning rod with it. It has some type of compensator on the end here. It's got your average flip-up sights there. You got a chrome bolt carrier. There's a thing right there that's model specific. Basically, there's not too many of them that have a chrome bolt carrier. On your safety lever here, you have an option to hold back your bolt carrier as well with a little notch right here. It comes with a 30-round mag, which it's a little wobbly, but it works pretty well. You know, their standard is they come with a single mag receiver, and they have to mill it out so that it'll receive the double stack mags. But they do a pretty good job with that. It has the nice grip here with the things for your finger there and some stippling, so that works pretty well. It's got a non-chrome lined barrel. That's specific to this model. There's not too many of them. Most of them have chrome lined barrels. This one does not. They say that's more accurate. I don't know. I mean, I've never owned an AK before, so you'll probably see in my video that, you know, I look like an amateur shooting this thing, but that's because I am an amateur with these AKs. I keep getting smacked in the face by this stock back here. I don't know what the deal is with that. It's kind of annoying and it hurts my cheek.
Well, there's that.
Now, stripping this gun is very simple. We'll take it down for you real quick here. You got a button back here on the back of the dust cover. Just go ahead and press that button and the button on the left side of the receiver. Pick up on the dust cover. Pull out your spring. We'll pull that mag out. It's kind of bugging me. Pull the bolt carrier out and the piston together. We'll put it back in now. Very simple design, and that's what makes it a good gun. Simplicity. Done. Oh, put the mag back in for you.
First try at bump firing. Well, I don't know. Oh, look it. First shot and it stuck open. And it did it again. What is going on there? Worked fine that time.
Something to do with down there.
Isn't that weird? Look at that. So it works fine when I do that. Look at that. How is that possible?
It's anti-bumping.
I must be hitting the trigger twice before it's... Maybe that works fine. Oh, cool. Well, I got a shot dead center at 100 yards. You can see it right there. A lot of the damage on the back was done from the blowback from the target. It's hard to tell how much of that was done because of the hollow point. So my nephew made me a target for me to shoot, and he said he wanted me to throw a few AK rounds through him. So here we go. I'm just gonna shoot him up a bit for my nephew here. There, Jake, I killed him for you. How about some lead in your head?